Everybody, it's Carol Billing, your instructor for teaching economics and personal finance. Here's a quick video to look. Let's go through the course calendar. It's weird how that was doing. Okay, there you go. Not sure what's going on there. Anyway, here we go. All my course calendars are set up the same, so if you've had me in a class before or you have me in another class, it's pretty straightforward. I just give you the week, what I want to teach you that week, and then what assignments are due under Blackboard tasks, because everything is eventually submitted to Blackboard. That's why that column is called Blackboard tasks. And work is always due Sunday at midnight. So I give you a column with the deadline date, and then you can just always know it's Sunday at midnight. If you want to, cross that out and put the day before and make your deadline be Saturday at midnight so you're not cramming on Sunday, that's a great plan. And when you do that, then you have Sunday to sort of relax or get started early on the next week's work. I'm going to be building out the rest of the weeks over the next week. And I hope to have the whole class built and so you can work ahead if you'd like in case you have a vacation this semester. That's always my goal. And so this is my first year teaching at the University of Idaho. I taught for 8 years at the College of Western Idaho before. And the first year is a little tough because you're building all your courses, but normally I have my whole course built, done, and ready before the semester starts. So I'll have that next year. I don't have it this year though, and I appreciate your patience as I build out the rest of it, but I do want to have that done in the next week or so because I have other things I have to do this semester, a conference in March, and just all the things that come along in addition to teaching. So let's see. I think that's all we can cover right now because there isn't a whole lot of content here, but what I'll do is when this calendar is completely done, I'll post in announcements in Blackboard and also on Slack to tell you to go ahead and grab it and print it out if you would like to, because it won't, once everything is in that light green, it's done. Like that's done. I'm not going to change it. And that way you can just go through and check those boxes in the Blackboard tasks column before the deadline and sort of keep yourself on track. It's just a simple way to know that you've done everything for that deadline. I think that's about it for now. So I hope this is helpful, and I will email you when the whole calendar is built out so that you can have that saved to a place or printed out. Okay, thanks, bye.